Hello everybody, today we're going to be doing a simulation based off downloading and running Microsoft Safety Scanner, and with that you're going to be able to do a job of an IT professional, and we will continue. So in the lab, Microsoft offers a free tool that can scan a computer for malware and then remove it, which is quarantine, based off the severity. In this project you will download and run it, and we will begin. So in your Microsoft Edge web browser, search for Microsoft Safety Scanner download and read the information on this web page about the scanner, and then you're going to click the link and download the Microsoft Safety Scanner 64-bit. And then after the mcert.exe file downloads, open the file by double clicking it, and then you're going to answer yes if you want to allow the device to make changes. Okay, oops, I misclicked. So you see right here, we're not able to click on this search bar. Instead, we're going to go on this search bar in the bottom, and we're going to exactly search up Microsoft Safety Scanner Download. And then after this, you're able to see which links, but it's not going to be this one. This is Microsoft Defender, so we are looking for the Safety Scanner download. And the security intelligence update with their scanner, and it describes what the page. And then we also have the safety scanner when manually triggered, and then it expires 10 days after being downloaded. So now we're going to go click on the specific link, and then we are carefully going to scroll down, and as you see, it's over here, the 64-bit, exactly what we're looking for. And this is very important because in a cybersecurity profession, you definitely don't want any malware contained in your desktop, because they are able to pull, certain information such as like your cookies, or maybe files, or they could have spyware in your desktop. So this is why it's very important to keep that in mind and why we're doing this. So after downloading the mcert, we're gonna open the file by double clicking it. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your devices? And we are going to click yes, so we give it administrator permissions. And then once you do that, you want to double click again. There we go. This is the end user license agreement. They're always going to put this at the beginning because they want you to understand that if you don't accept the terms, you're not going to be able to use the software, so you understand the entire description in here. And then we're going to click accept all terms and proceed with the license agreement. And then we're going to do a scan type. So it says when the end user license agreement appears, click in the box accept all terms of the preceding license agreement, and then you're going to click next, which we did earlier. And then when the welcome to the Microsoft Safety Scanner window appears, we're going to click next, which we already did. And then when the scan type window appears, which we're in right now, if necessary, click quick scan. So we're going to do quick scan, even though I fully recommend that you guys always do a full scan to your own personal, desktops. And, we're just following the steps of these. And full scans do take longer, but, it's more of a safety measurement, and it's better than a quick scan. But quick scans, I mean, it's like the word itself. They're supposed to be quick. So we're going to do next. And now it's going to be scanning our desktop. You see it's checking all types of files. Then it said scan results. The scan completed successfully, and viruses, spyware, and other potential unwanted software were detected. You see? So this is a big risk to companies, and this is why cybersecurity analysts must do this job. So review the scan window that appears when the scan is completed. If any suspicious files or malware detected, you may be asked to conduct a full scan. So, like I said, full scans are way better than quick scans because they'll actually go for every single file instead of just doing a quick check on them. Then we're going to click finish, and then look at the malware type we had. We had defender tampering. So somebody was, you know, taking information from our systems. That's what we understand. And it's been removed. And we're going to click OK. And then we're going to click finish. And then we're going to close the tabs. And then you're going to click next to proceed to the next exercise, which are the questions. But I hope you guys understood this entire video and, truly took the time of your day to truly understand the material. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Take care.